Here's another industrial ceramic coating success story, using Arcor epoxy solutions. If you like this video, please like, and also check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this project, Arcor S-20 was used to restore and protect a treatment tank at an Australian metals processing plant. The tank treats weak acid, which is pH adjusted with soda ash, and then reacted with ferric sulfate, in the presence of a thickener underflow material, which is Ca2+ rich. This process leads to the formation of large quantities of gypsum scale on the tank lining. Due to the buildup of the gypsum scale, the tank has to be regularly hydroblasted and jackhammered to remove the scale deposits. Once the gypsum scale deposits are removed, the tank is thoroughly cleaned and then prepped for grit blasting of the tank surfaces. The old rubber lining system is easily removed in this process. The blasted surfaces are required to have a profile of no less than 75 microns to allow for optimum coating adhesion. Salt tests are also performed on the blasted surfaces to ensure contamination levels are below the required limit. Environmental readings are taken before coating to ensure they are within the window specified for application of the Arcor S-20 Blue. It is then applied in a two-coat process. No more need for a protective rubber lining on the walls of the tank, nor the need to replace it every time the gypsum scale deposits need to be removed. Here's what the project manager had to say about the result. Just giving you a quick little update that our tank project in S-20 went fantastically, thanks very much in part to your quick hotshot cartridges. So thanks to KHOGC and all that helped make that happen. The client is very happy, and we hope to see more action on site ASAP that could incorporate Arcor S-20. For any information to this, or any other KHOGC projects or case histories, please contact us at info@khogc.com. Thank you for watching this presentation.